Today video, I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card into your new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it is very easy. So all you need to do, first, you need a SIM card right here. So I got a SIM card, and second one, you need a SIM eject tool. So if you don't have it, you can use like needle or something. As long as it's small, something like this, you can like go ahead and do it. So first you need to look at the bottom of your new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you get like two holes, and this is the one that you need to push it. So just go ahead and do it something like this, and then you can see it pop out, and just take it out. And it is dual SIM, which means like you can put like two SIM cards simultaneously, but I'm gonna go ahead and put only one. You have SIM 1 and SIM 2. So make sure you put it in a correct position. So I'm gonna go ahead and put something like this. You can see it fits perfectly. And then just put it back to your phone. Okay. Same thing like that. Just push it in. And now just wait it for it. And now I got SIM on my phone. You can see it recognized on my new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can see the signal right there. So that's it. It is very simple and easy. Hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.